Description is one of the major sales determinants on Amazon. If your description is not well crafted, you possibly might be having low sales. I found out that a lot of people find it very difficult to write a compelling description that triggers the emotion of potential buyers and make them click the buy now icon. If this is a challenge to you, this video is the final solution. In this video, I will teach you how to create or curate or write a perfect description that is going to tell that buyer, hey, buy this book. Such descriptions help you increase your daily sales and make a lot of money on Amazon KDP. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Legal Naira, and all I do every day is to put a smile on your face and money in your bank account by teaching you different legitimate ways to make money online and offline. Now, if this is something you are interested in, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification icon so that YouTube will send you instant notifications anytime I post awesome videos like this. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you very much for being a loyal subscriber and supporting my channel. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. I want to teach you two different ways to write a compelling description for your books. The first one is called the Amazon method, and the second one is the Google Translate method. For the Amazon method, all you need to do is to look for similar books in the same categories or similar titles as your book, copy their description and rewrite it. You can use any of these article spinners to rewrite, like Qbots, Spinbots, or any other article spinner or rewriter that you know. You can also rewrite manually, which is the one I recommend. Using the Amazon method, let's say you want to write description for a book titled How to Become a Business Coach. All you need to do is to first of all go straight to amazon.com. On Amazon, you just type the title of the book you are trying to get description for, How to Become a Business Coach. Then you change the department to books like this. Then you click search. As you can see, these are books under that category. Books that are talking about how to become a business coach or a successful business coach. All you need to do is to look for the ones with great reviews. For example, the first one here has 500 reviews, which seems good. You can still look for more. Open like 3 of them like this. Let's open this one first. Open them in another tab. Let's open this one too. We have 2 now. Open them. Check their description. Go down. This is the description. Click on read more. Just read through the description. If this is something that appeals to you, just copy it like this. Copy. Go to your notepad and paste it. Then you can start rewriting it. This one says, coaches rely far too much on asking open-minded questions, but questions only seek answers. Inquiries provide insight. Now, if you want to rewrite that, you can start by saying, as a coach, if you want to get the best insight about a particular situation or event, you don't need to rely on asking only open-minded questions. You need to go further by making an inquiry or by making inquiry about the situation. This person continued by saying, when instead of just questions, clients hear their thoughts, opinions and beliefs spoken by someone else, it prompts them to critically consider how their thinking affects their goals. Now, to rewrite this, we can now say this is because when clients hear their coach explaining their thoughts, opinions, beliefs, it helps them understand how well the coach's idea corresponds with their beliefs or goals. Now it says this book will free coaches from the cult of asking the magical question by offering 5 essential practices of reflective inquiry. You can now rewrite this to say, in this book or in this guide, you would learn 5 essential practices of reflective inquiry and how to ask the right questions that builds your client's confidence. So this is how you will be writing it line by line. You'll be rewriting it or paraphrasing it line by line. To make it faster, you can use any of the paraphrasing tools like Quillbot, Spinbot, or any other trusted paraphrasing tool that you know. For the second method, we'll be using Google Translator. Now let's quickly check that out. We want to get description for a book titled How to Live a Healthy Life. Just go to Google Translator. When you open Google Translator, you just type the title of the book and add Amazon to it. How to Live a Healthy Life, Amazon. Then translate it to another language, maybe German or French. I usually use German, so let's change it to German. Now we have How to Live a Healthy Life, Amazon, written in German language. All you need to do is to copy this and then paste it on Google search. It will open all the books about how to live a healthy life that are written in German language. You just open about 3 of them in another tab. Make sure the website that displays it is showing Amazon. These are the books. This is one of them. This is another one. And these are other books that are talking about how to live a healthy life. So let's use the first 2. We want to use this one now. Remember that you must always use Google Chrome because Google Chrome browser is the only browser that can translate the page from German or from French, Dutch, or any other language to English. So you just right click and click on Translate to English. Google Translator has done the magic. Just click on Read More and you see that this is a complete description for a book with title How to Live a Healthy Life. Simple, just copy and paste it in your notepad. This is a done for you description. Now, because a lot of people will be watching this video, you don't just want to copy this exact one and use it like that. Since it is written in French, you can actually use it exactly the way it is. It's not going to be reflecting in your Amazon.com account like you copied it because you converted or you translated it from another language to English. But now, since a lot of people will be watching this video, I strongly advise that you rewrite this. Okay, just change 1 or 2 things. Change the call to action. This one says, get the knowledge you need to effortlessly become the healthiest, most energetic version of yourself with this book now and create your new you today. You can just change that to, this book will help you get all the knowledge you need to become a very healthy person, boost your immune, and make you energetic. You see, you can see, you just change it to anything that will suit your own book and still look like you're saying the same thing. Where it says, get an overview of exciting and current scientific findings on the subject of healthy nutrition. You can change that and say, one of the chapters of this book will teach you how you can use scientific findings to keep yourself healthy. Find out the revolutionary 10 commandments of healthy nutrition. You can change that to what is in your own book. Your own book might not be about the 10 commandments of healthy nutrition. You can now say, find out 20 healthy recipes to help you live healthy. This is how you just change little things from this description and it becomes unique for you to use. I hope this is very clear. If you are not satisfied with that, you can simply check the next one, right click on it, translate to English, and here you have another description that you can copy. Just click on Read More and this is another description. You can simply copy it, change 1 or 2 things, and it becomes unique for you to use. All right. If you want to learn about how to publish books, how to create low content books, how to create a verified Amazon KDP account, how to create or design book covers, you can check my channel. You will see a lot of other helpful videos that you can watch and get going easily. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon so that you get instant notification anytime I post new videos like this, because I post videos every day, and like this video so that YouTube will show it to more people that will be interested in great information like this. Thank you once again. See you in my next video.